Hi, this is Laura with Riffyn, and in this video I'm going to show you some of the features that Riffyn offers in regards to high throughput screening. So in this example experiment, you can see first of all that we will connect data across traditional silos. So here we have data from molecular biology that's linked to screening data across 3 different screens. That's then linked to sequencing data. So the advantage of linking the data is that you can ask questions such as, when you get to the sequencing and you say, oh, I had, this much coverage or this many reads, and you want to know information about the molecular biology, you can simply just go back to the molecular biology step and you can say, okay, which plasmid was this connected to, and we can see in the UI that it was connected to this plasmid, for example. So that's one feature that we offer, is connecting data. The next feature that we offer is moving samples around and hit picking. So I'm going to zoom into the screening step here. So here, what we want to know is what samples from the 96 well screen made it to the 24 well screen. So I can just click this button and I can quickly see which of the samples from the 96 well screen made it on. So you'll see as I'm scrolling down that none of the first cell line, the AUS 13, made it, but now I'm starting to see some hits down here. So you can easily see in the UI which samples made it and which samples didn't. We also do hit picking. So here the cell lines were chosen based on overall performance, so we can just simply sort by overall performance, and you can see that those first 96 were the ones that were chosen to move on. The final thing I'm going to show is plate mapping. So I'm going to show you in real time how we can handle plate map data. So I'm just going to show you that I have not yet mapped well position here. Let me show you the file that I can use to map well position. So we can pretty much handle any plate layout that your instrument would spit out. So here's an example file where we're mapping well position. So here's our parser. So I'm just going to click to upload that file. Here it is. And I got to choose the right configuration here. So our file parser can just parse that file, and then in one click, I'm going to upload it to Riffyn. And there it is. There's that well-positioned data that was not mapped, and now it is based on the plate map. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.